Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Stinson. Today let us discuss about Bitwise operator. In the previous video we discussed about increment operator and decrement operator. Sorry, this week I couldn't upload videos regularly. Sorry for that. So now let us discuss about bitwise operators in Java. There are different types of bitwise operators. For example, and bitwise or bitwise not bitwise XOR, right shift as well as left shift, and we got something called unsigned right shift and all. So if you want, you can explore them. These are the most important and most important bitwise operators. Even they have asked in the interview questions, theoretical interview questions I searched online. So based on that, these are the only important bitwise operators. Okay, so these bitwise operators works on the truth table. Not There is no truth table for bitwise and or not XOR. There is a truth table for and or not XOR. Okay, so same truth table applies for bitwise operation also. Bitwise in the sense, the manipulation of these operators will be done in bit level. That's why the name bitwise operator. Okay, so now let us discuss about let us see the AND gate truth table. Okay, here in the AND gate truth table is visible here. So 0 represents false and 1 represents true. Okay, if both the inputs are true, if both inputs are false, the output will be obviously false. If one of the input is true and the other one is false, the output will be false. Here also same thing, but the cases are different. While B was false, B is true, vice versa. Here the output will be false. If both inputs are true, then the output will be true. Okay, this is the truth table for AND gate. Now let us see the truth table for OR gate. If both are false, the output will be false. If one of the input is true, then the output is true. For same thing, the different case, if both are true, then the output will be true. Here the basic condition to be true is, if one of the input is true, then at least one of the input should be true to become output to be true. Okay, here if both are true, well and good, the output will be true. This is the truth table for XOR gate. The same thing, there is no difference between OR gate and XOR gate. There is only one difference actually. If both the inputs are say similar, the output will be false. See, if A and B are true, A and B are false, the output is false. Here also the same thing. The difference is, if you can see here, both the inputs are true, the output is true. But here both the inputs are true, and even then the outputs are false. Output is false. So that's the only difference between OR gate and XOR gate. The NOT gate is very simple. Only one input is enough. If the input is false, the output will be true. Ulta, if input is true, then the output will be false. So this is very simple. And the left shift and left right shift is simply nothing but shifting the bits to right by one position. For example, 1010, this 0 comes to the right, that 1, then 0, then again 1. The leftmost bit will be blank after the rightmost shifting. That will be appended by 0. That's very simple. If you want to learn this in more detail, you can refer other Google. You can refer Google. There it will be more clear. If I start teaching these very basic things, the length of the video will be more, and that's not actually required for programming. These are the only basic stuff required for basic stuff about bitwise and bitwise operators is enough. Okay, the left shift is also same thing, but here the bits are shifted to the left by one position. That's it. Okay, so that's it. This is the different types of bitwise operator. There are many more, you can explore them. These are the very important ones. um, Now let us learn using bitwise operator how to swap two numbers, or if a programmer asks, if a interviewer asks you to write a program to swap two numbers without using a third variable. Write a program to swap two numbers without using a third variable. So let us write, this is the skeleton of Java. You know this. So let us import the very basic package, which is java java.lang package. Now let us import java.util package, because we will read the input from the user. Okay, this kind of programs to swap two numbers to check whether the number is greater or not, which is greater, or which to check the number is even or odd, to check whether the year is leap year or not. These kind of programs, it will be better if you take the user input. Okay, so try to take user input, because it will make the code interactive. Okay, so the public static void main is here. So let us write our code. Int a, I'll write system.out.println. I'll write enter the input. Okay, now I'll create the scanner object. Scanner sc equals new scanner system. You know why I'm using system.in here? Because it acts as a pipe. Okay, which reads the data from keyboard and connects it to the memory. System spelling is wrong. 1 second. System.in. Yes. So let me assign a variable int a equals sc dot next int. I'm taking integer input. Then let us include int b equals sc dot next int. Again I'm taking two numbers now because we need to swap. Okay, so after the input, let us write system dot out dot println before swapping a is a, that is the value of a. Okay, then b is, close the bracket, then this, then we print actual value of a, b. Okay, then after swapping you write in bold, because you need to know the difference between before swapping and after swapping. So after swapping, let us mix this lines, it will be good in the output. Yeah. Now let us do the actual operation. I am using XOR operation to swap two numbers. XOR, this is the symbol. A caret B. Okay, then B equals A caret B. Again same thing, A caret. This caret means XOR operation. Okay, then again I do the same thing, A equals A B. Okay, then I write S out value of A is A. Value of B is B. Okay, we are ready to run the code. I think there is no error. Yes, there is no error. Yeah, it is asking for the input. Let me give 10. 20. See, uh, before swapping, A is 10, this is 10, and B is a 20. I gave 20. Okay, then after swapping, the value of A is 20, B value was 20, now A value is 20, then B value is 10, A value was 10. So here we can clearly say that swapping is done, because 20 value of B was 20, now it's now the value of A is 20, so B's value is copied to A. Then yeah, here B value is 10 after swapping, which is the value of A, so A's value is copied to B. So clearly we can say that swapping is done. So if anyone, if the programmer sorry, if the interviewer asks you to swap two numbers without using the third variable, you can use this approach. This is not only the only approach, you can, there are different approaches. So I was explaining bitwise operators, no, so I showed the operation of XOR in the code. That's it. If you want to know how these three steps work to swap two numbers, you can you can do the tracing part. For example, A value was 10, right? So 10 10 10, then B value was 20. Let me take 4, because 20 to represent 20 will be huge thing. So let me take 4. Okay, 1 0 1 0 0. The rest of the bits will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, so on. This also 0 0 0 0 0. So now, or write the binary, you have written the numbers in binary, then apply the XOR operation based on the truth table. If both the values are false, the output will be false. Like that, do in bitwise, do bitwise. That's why we call it as bitwise. It manipulates its operation in bit level. That's why the name bitwise. Okay. So that's it. In the next video, let us discuss about more topics in Java. So I'll tell you which topic. I am thinking to teach strings. Let To start strings, because strings topic in Java is a huge topic. So let me decide. I'm not sure. So I'll tell I'll tell you in the next video because I'm not sure. My schedule is kind of busy right now. So I'll try to upload videos regularly. Thank you.